Hey guys, I'm Joey, that's a lock picking kit, and this is Over the Table. Well, welcome back to Over the Table. What I've got for you today is a little kit that I've purchased that contains a practice lock, a lock picking kit, and the keys to that practice lock. So what we are going to do is I'm going to utilize these things to teach you guys how to pick a lock. So when it comes to picking a lock, what you've got is your lock body that has the core, which is the middle section that contains your pins. You've got your shackle and your springs. Now the basic functionality of the lock is when you stick your key in, it aligns those pins level with each other, level with the core, and it's able to rotate and open the lock. So, the way to pick a lock is you have to be able to get those pins to line up with each other in order to open the lock. I'm going to go ahead and open up the lock picking kit and take out a few tools. I'm going to use this one and this tensioning tool. To get started, what you need to do is you need to insert your tensioning tool into either the top of the keyway or the bottom of the keyway, depending on which way you need to rotate the core. Since this core needs to rotate clockwise, I'm going to put it in the bottom because that will give me the easiest way to hold it. But keep tension here, not too much tension, but just enough tension to where it'll lock the pins in place. So we'll start with the first pin. Hear a little click out of the first pin. Second pin's already set. Third pin. Third pin set. Fourth pin. There's the fourth pin. And we got rotation and the lock's open. To show you what it looks like from the end that you'll see the lock when you're attacking a real lock, holding the tension with my finger, and I'm going in, pick, pick, rotation, locks open. So that's how you can do it with a single pick. Other types of picks, such as this is known as a rake and requires less tedious skills. So basically the idea for a rake is you put your tension in there and then you insert your rake into the lock, and sometimes you have to shake it around, but just inserting it into the lock got those pins to line up. One more time, tension, insert the rake, rotation, lock. This lock is really easy to pick because they're all standard pins. In other locks there are different size pins with different shapes, such as spool shapes and other types of security pins. On this one they're all just straight pins, which makes this lock fairly easy to open. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video on how to pick a lock for beginners. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Nothing is more fun than being able to just walk up to a lock and pick it. So I hope you guys have a great day and don't get shot.